Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to remove device from your Netflix account. So let's get started. First, open the Netflix app on your device. Tap on the My Netflix option from the bottom right corner of your screen. In the My Netflix section, tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on the account option from the list that appears. Scroll down and tap on the Manage Download Devices option. Find the device that you want to remove from the list. Once you have located it, tap on the Remove Device option next to it. And that's it. This is how you can remove device from your Netflix account. Thank you for watching TechBase. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.